you ever thought about how much power lust has over your mind? Some people brush it off like it's no big deal, but Jesus had a different perspective. He taught that lust isn't just a casual glance or a fleeting thought. It's something that penetrates deep into the heart and soul. When you allow lustful desires to consume you, it changes how you view others, turning them into objects rather than souls created by God. Jesus warned us that what happens in the mind can be just as dangerous as actions. Lust plants seeds of destruction, corrupting not only your thoughts, but also your connection to God. It distances you from the life of purity and peace that He wants for you, slowly disconnecting you from the joy that comes with living in alignment with His plan. But here's the best part. Jesus doesn't leave you stuck in this struggle. He offers a way out. He invites you to let go of the thoughts that hold you captive and seek a life of freedom through Him. When you pursue purity, you're not just avoiding lust. You're actively choosing to live in the fullness of God's love and purpose for your life. So, are you ready to let Jesus transform your mind and soul? Lust is a trap, but His love is the key to breaking free. It's time to step into the freedom He promises, where your heart is set on Him and your soul is restored to peace. If this message speaks to your heart and you're ready to experience God's freedom, type Amen in the comments below. Let's take this journey together.